Hello and welcome to my January 2024 TPT income report. This video isn't going to be very long because not a lot happened in January with my TPT shop. And some months are that way, so I'm going to look at the positive aspects of my shop. So I started off with 78 products and I hit the milestone of 80 products, which I feel like is a lot. That's only 20 away from 100. So I'm focusing on the positive and I made a total of $18.40. And I really did not start working on my shop until the very end of January. So I think that if I worked on updating my shop more, adding more products, I would have made more money. But I didn't, and that's the way some months go. So I'm just going to move forward for February, and I've got products that I'm making, and I am hopeful for this coming month and for the month of March. So here's a look at my specifics. So last year I made a total in 2023 of $46.25, and this year I only made $18.40. And as you can see, I had a few sales at the very beginning of the month and at the very end of the month, and nothing too much in between. So that is where I am at with my shop. Hopefully, your January went really well. I am counting it as a win because I did make money and I made new products, and I feel rested and I feel like I got some good rest to where I have some ideas of new products that I'm going to make and just new ideas for my shop, which I'm going to talk about in future videos. But I'm still like thinking out how to execute my ideas for my shop. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the like button. And tell me in the comments below how your January went. I will see you next week.